What we have here is an 88 Crown Victoria. Got this one for pretty cheap, but cheap doesn't always mean good, because this thing has some issues, lots of issues, but I always see the potential in the bad, or the diamond in the rough. So outside, exterior wise, pretty rough. Got some spots where rust is poking through. This top is all cracked and beat up from the sun. You can just see normal wear and tear. And of course, plenty of grease stains on the hood from it getting opened up so it can get fixed on. Headlights are faded. Looks like one was replaced. Missing that piece in the front. But other than that, a lot of straight lines. A couple of dents that could be patched, repaired, and fixed. Now let's take a look at the interior. Inside, aside from a little bit of dust, is actually pretty well maintained. It's immaculate. Well, you got that dash too. But at 1988, let's check out the trunk. How do you open the trunk, you might ask? Right under here. Enough space to store a couple of bodies. Let's go up here to the front seat so I can show you guys. Front seats, look at these. Nice green suede. Green is my favorite color too, so. For 1988, oh man, this thing is in pretty good condition. And as for the odometer, it only says 17,000 miles, but I'm fairly certain that it's actually 117,000 miles, because this has seen some roads. It's seen some things in its life. So there's a few things that we need to address, and I'll start doing videos to address all these things for this 88 Crown Victoria. Be sure that if you want to see all this process, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe down below to Exantus Creations.